Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, I'm Raquel Darantinao. I'm 38 years old. I'm single. I'm single parent. I have 4 kids. The age of my kids is 16, 11, 5, and 3. And
What's your educational background?
my educational background is high school graduate.
Okay. Do you have work experience abroad as a domestic helper?
Yes, I have experience working abroad. The first my work is Lebanon. I have 3 contracts in Lebanon, finished contract, 3 years. The second work is Dubai. Have worked in 2 years, finished contract. And then I have worked in Saudi, 2 years, and finished contract.
Okay. What are your duties and responsibilities in your previous employer?
My duties and responsibility first. The first my employees is for Lebanon. I take care of 2 years old. Then I work of cleaning the house, gardening, cleaning the car, and washing the court and ironing. The second employees in responsibilities in Dubai. I work in ironing, wash the car, and gardening. The third my responsibilities is Saudi. I take care of born baby. Then I ironing, I washing, and gardening, and wash the car.
Okay. Can you tell us how you take care of the children, a baby, and elderly?
Yes, I take care of the baby.
Do you cook for them?
Yes, I cook for them.
Can you feeding them?
Yes, I'm feeding them.
Please tell us some of your skills.
My skills and working, and
You're high school graduate?
yes, I have high school graduate.
Can you cook Filipino food?
Yes, I cook a Filipino food.
And you're willing to learn to Chinese food?
Yes, I want to learn to cooking Chinese food.
Okay, what are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
The good helper is working hard and be honest to your employer.
And you're loyal?
And the loyalty to your employer.
Okay, anything else you want to tell for your future employer? Can you tell them now?
Yes, I want to tell to my employer that I be a good hard worker, and I promise to finish my 2 years contracts, and thank you, God bless.
Thank you so much.